The fridge goes quiet. The kid's nightlight blinks out. And for a second, your whole house holds its breath. Then nothing. Just the hum of a neighborhood that's gone dark. If you've been there, you know it isn't just an inconvenience. It's the food in the fridge, the work on your laptop, the child who can't sleep without the fan. And it's not getting better.
Excessive heat means more strain on power grids.
4,300 people are without electricity right now.
The grid we all depend on was built for a different era, long before AI data centers, electric vehicles, and millions of connected devices began competing for power. But what if your home just didn't notice? At EnergyWell, we believe your home should keep running no matter what's happening on the grid. EnergyWell installs a professional-grade home battery system at your home, with no upfront cost and no installation fee. When the grid goes down, your home switches to battery power automatically. Most people don't even notice it happened. Powerful enough to keep your whole home running: the AC, the garage door, the fridge. And here's what makes EnergyWell different. Your battery becomes part of a virtual power plant, thousands of homes working together to help balance the grid. We manage everything automatically behind the scenes. That coordination allows us to offer something most energy providers can't. With EnergyWell, you lock in a rate that's guaranteed to beat what ComEd charges. Not just today, but every time your term renews. You only pay for the electricity you actually use. The work the battery does on the grid, that's on us. No generators, no gas cans, no scrambling in the dark, just your home, still on. The outages aren't going away, but you don't have to wait for the grid to catch up. EnergyWell, energy connected.